How to set up Wi-Fi Direct on the Canon TR160. Let's get started, and also I'll show you how to print using Wi-Fi Direct. So you're going to open this first lid, make sure that the printer is actually turned on. On the screen here, we need to select the cogwheel, so we're going to press the down arrow until the cogwheel is highlighted. Press OK. Then select LAN settings by pressing OK once more. Press the down arrow to highlight wireless direct, and then press OK once again. Now we need to select advanced mode. I know it sounds complicated, but it's actually the easiest way. Press OK, OK. Enable wireless direct. Yes, of course, this is what we want to do. So we'll highlight on and press OK. Display password when included in the settings info. Of course we want this, so we're going to highlight on and press OK. And here we have all the details. So first of all, this is the Wi-Fi Direct name of this printer that you need to find on your phone or computer. And if we press the down arrow, the password will be displayed. That again, we'll have to type to be able to connect to the printer. Your password will be different, so there's no point of copying the one that you see on the screen. If we go down below, you're gonna have other details that are not really important. One over here, number of device connected right now. As you see, a maximum of 5 different devices can be connected to this printer at the same time, and you can see the number of them there. Let me show you how to print using Wi-Fi Direct and a smartphone. So here I have an Android smartphone, but this could have been a computer as well. Doesn't matter. You simply have to go into the Wi-Fi settings of that particular device. And in the Wi-Fi settings, you should see your Canon printer appearing. Direct something TR160 series. Tap on it and simply input the password you are seeing on the display of your printer. So now that the password is entered, I'll press connect. It is connected. Now, if you have an Android smartphone, you're going to need to press always connect and open any document you wish to print. Could also be a picture that you have on your phone. On an iPhone is the same thing. Let's say I want to print this picture over here. On Android, you need to press these 3 dots on the top right corner. On an iPhone, you need to see over there or on the top an icon that is a square with an arrow pointing inside of that square. Press on that icon and then you should see print appearing. If not, simply scroll down and you're going to see print. On Android, I simply have to tap print, go on the top. And on the top over here, you should see, here we go, it just appeared TR160. Press on it, press the small arrow. You're going to have a few different details, including how many copies, the paper size. For example, I want to print on US letter size, therefore I'll select letter. And there's a few different options over here. Honestly, I won't touch them. I'll make sure I have input some paper inside of the printer. Okay, perfect. And now all I have to do is to press the print button. Okay. Wait a few seconds. The print is being sent to the printer. And here we go. We just printed the picture that got sent directly from my phone to the printer. If you want to get some replacement ink for this printer, I'll leave a link down below towards Amazon, where I have put links especially for ink cartridges compatible with this printer, original and also third party that are cheaper. So check them out, comment, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.